Hey everyone, and welcome back to HandiWorks. We're diving into our next flower in the 6 stunning embroidery flowers series. For this beautiful design, I've chosen 2 rich shades of blue floss, a light and a dark blue, and some brown for contrast. We'll start with the petals. I've threaded my needle with the dark blue floss. Our goal is to create 8 beautiful petals for this cosmos flower. To begin, I'm stitching a line of simple straight stitches down the middle of the first petal shape. This provides the structural foundation for our decorative stitch. Now we introduce the main technique, the buttonhole bar stitch. This stitch is easy to follow and creates a lovely ribbed fill. We're going to work our buttonhole bar on either side of the straight stitches we just laid down. We wrap the thread around the bar and secure it with the buttonhole technique. This project is a perfect example of why hand stitching is such a relaxing therapy. Focusing on these detailed movements helps quiet your mind and is a wonderful way to de-stress. This creates a dense, ribbed texture that is divided into 2 parts by the initial straight stitch. Once the entire petal is filled, we use a small securing stitch at the edges to neatly finish the shape, using the same dark blue floss. Keep your buttonhole stitches very close and tight as you wrap. This ensures the petal looks full and professional. Continue this method for all 8 petals, moving quickly to build the flower's main form. Learning hand embroidery is a wonderful investment in your well-being. The importance of learning hand embroidery extends beyond the final product. It's about the mind relaxing and developing a skill that will last a lifetime. Now for the center. We want to give this flower a deep textured middle. I'm switching to the light blue floss for the first layer and will use the cast-on stitch around the small center circle. The cast-on stitch creates a fantastic raised, knot-like line. It's perfect for building dimension. I'll stitch several cast-on stitches in a circle to form the first raised layer of the center. You can use this elegant cosmos flower to add a personal touch to any garment, from a denim jacket to a simple cotton blouse. Next, I'll switch to the brown floss and fill the very middle of the circle with a cluster of French knots. This provides a lovely contrast and completes the center texture. And just like that, our beautiful cosmos blue flower is complete. Because it uses foundational stitches like the buttonhole and French knots, this flower is easy to execute, and any beginner can achieve this stunning result. Keep practicing your stitches and enjoy the process. I'll see you in the next lesson for the 5th flower in our series.